Hi everyone, today I bring to you these Nike shoes and bag. I revamped using this beautiful Ankara material. And yeah, this is my chemical gum. This is my normal gum, which is about three different types of gum mixed together to make it stronger. And yeah, I also have other tools I use that are not yet here. And this is what the bag looks like. It was peeling, it was peeling like everywhere. And so this is the inner part of it. Yeah, it had this stuff that you had to unscrew to remove this. Did it have a screw? No, it didn't have a screw. This bag didn't have a screw. Yeah, so you have to remove this. Like I've always said, when you want to revamp, you ensure you detach everything from the bag. So everything, this is the hand of the bag. So also what I do precisely is I take pictures of these things so I know what and what I took out and where I took them out from, because most likely you forget where you took these things out from. And yeah, these are the cuttings for the sides of the bag. So you measure them. As you take them out, you measure them, you cut them. Of course, you have to wrap them, and then before you start attaching them to make it a bag again. So you can see these are nicely cut and already wrapped. Again, this is the hand. I just have to get to know what I did here so I don't make a mistake, because this hand can be very, very funny. Most times you start thinking, where did this one come from? Where did this one come from? So what I do is that I make pictures and videos precisely of where I took something from. So when I want to couple them back, I won't have issues. You get it? So yeah, this is me already coupling them back. And man, I had a hard time to get this front because I was like, wait, where was this? Where was this part? And we finally got it. And then to the sneaker, yeah, this is a Nike sneaker. So like I've always said, you detach, but here you can't detach this, so you're going to have to use a very sharp razor. Then you're going to just cut off the ropes or whatever it is. If they use the gum, you just have to use the sharp razor to create spaces where you'll be able to tuck in the material. So here it was actually sewn, and I had to, it was really tough, very, very tough. Yeah, so I had to use a very sharp razor, as you can see here in my video. Sorry, I work mostly from morning to night, so most times my videos are dark because I work to as late as 11. Most times 10, but most times I work to as late as that time. Yeah, so you can see the edges. I've already cut off the ropes. I have to remove this Nike design because she requested I put it back. Yeah, you saw a white material earlier. I wanted to cut something like that to add, but since the design wasn't really peeling, I just added only two of them back. The other two were actually peeling, so I couldn't add on each side of the shoes. I just added on just a side of each of the shoe. Yeah, so this is ready for revamping right now, and the work has already started cutting. You have to measure, you have to cut, and then I may not be able to show you the video of all I do, but this is a bit explanatory. If you have questions, you could just probably chat me on WhatsApp or send a DM, or just type on the video you're watching right now so I could reply you. But I prefer you reach out to me on WhatsApp. And yeah, we're almost done. And don't forget, I said when you finish revamping your bag, because I do not sew for now, so I use gum. I work with different types of gums, so you need to do thorough cleaning. Yeah, so this is for the earring. Yeah, so you have to cut them very slim so you'll be able to wrap these. Maybe one day I'll do a video on how I got these, and this is the total. This is all I produced with that material, and they really came out so beautiful. So you can see how neat it is because I cleaned. Okay, so back to what I was saying about cleaning. You have to use your foil and a clean material. Ensure you clean it very, very well. It can be a bit tasking, but ensure that you take your time to do a thorough cleaning. And then the essence of the chemical gum is for your finishing. I will also show you a video on how I use the chemical gum. And so when you're done, you clean the excess gum from it. For the chemical gum, it doesn't really need too much cleaning because it makes your edges very, very clean. It's just for the edges and it brings your work very, very neat. You can see there's some black spots on the sides of the shoes because after using chemical gum you have to heat it. So I used this lighter, and the lighter was burning like fire, like serious fire. It was actually serious fire, so it even burnt a piece of what I was doing, so I had to start patching. So it wasn't too obvious. I'm the only one that can tell what happened there, and if I don't tell you, you will know because I did a very thorough job there. And yeah, so this is what we did. Thank you so much for viewing. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.